This would be a good place to use one of the little butane torches if I had one. I don't really want to set the carburetor on fire. I don't want to set this on fire. I don't want to melt any of that stuff up under there either. I'm gonna try this little bit, little drill bit, instead of that big one. What I'd like to do if I'm gonna drill this out is drill the piece in the middle and not get it involved with the aluminum on the outside. You can see I'm going down through that. You can see the stuff coming off it. And the drill bit got crooked. Went through there a little crooked. Got into the metal, the side metal a little bit. Let's just see if that, I'll loosen that up enough where I can push it out now. Yeah, it's coming out now. So that's out of there. Let me take this little bit and run it through. There's still a broke off piece on the other side of that. I'm going to take that little bit, run it through from the side here back into there. Oh, no, it came out. Okay. So let me dry my hands off and I'll show y'all. Hey baby. So in order to explain how this carburetor works, or how carburetors work in general, you'd have to imagine this upside down. See, this thing, right now it is upside down. And there's a little thing that's a bowl that goes over this. This is a float. And this floats in gas here, and this little thing right here is a needle valve, and it goes in that hole. And when this float goes down, keep in mind I'm moving it up, but that would be down if it was upside down and had the bowl on it. So when the bowl runs out of gas and this goes down, that opens that valve, and when this rises, it closes the valve. So as this fills up with gas, it shuts the gas off, so that you don't flood your carburetor with too much gas. Now there's little passageways. If I take this out, there'll be one. If I take this out, there'll be one. This little throttle screw here, there'll be one in there. This shaft I don't need to take out, but there's something right above it. I may need to pull it out, although I don't see any threads. Oh, okay. I think all this is a keeper for this shaft. So I may not need to take that out. So it may be that all I have to really take out is that screw. And what I'll do when I take it out is I'll count the number of turns. And I'll put it back with the same number of turns. And then hopefully these things have loosened up. They were pretty stuck the other day and I couldn't turn them. Maybe I can get them to turn today.